or skinny. I was watching Sebring on how to do Kajabi as Adriane Mays, AI wealth creation, living benefits, change crusader, captain, change agent. So I was watching Sebring on YouTube about steps on Kajabi as wanting to maximize and build the Change Crusader course, right? So looking at his layout and his format, so that came up with the brainstorm of building the AI step-by-step 93-step process. As I was taking a look at the video, I want to make sure I dot all my I's and cross all my T's if I have a billionaire in the making plan, or if I actually have more people go to the course. I want to make sure it was very comprehensive. So Lane's course, thank you. And I'm going to go ahead and make sure that we're transforming billionaire brands. And I'm going to put my foot where my mouth is. Go through the actions of a Change Crusader. Because again, if you do decide to become a living benefits Change Crusader agent, it's nothing that I don't ask you to do that I didn't do. I can, I will, I must. Let's go. Let's go. Make change as wealth creation happens with you. It's different strategies you can use, different methods, many ways to make money online, but you have to have the right foundation. So Sebring gave me this foundation. Make sure that you subscribe, follow, and like, and let's go make change together because billionaire brands is coming. What up though, Detroit? Is coming. Detroit ChatGPT revolution. Woo, I see it. Let's go.